Hello everyone, today I'm playing Car Crash Simulator V3, but if I see a semi-truck, the video ends. I have 3 simple challenges for the video. I have to complete a full lap of the airfield. I have to survive a really high-speed crash, so my car has to keep moving. And then I have to have 5 seconds at max speed of this car. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's get straight into it. We're gonna try to hit the first challenge as soon as possible, which is the high speed one. Well, that's not the first one, but it's the first one I want to do. That's not true. Alright. 335 is the max speed of the Evo 6 rally. So, let's try to hit it. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi. Alright, let's go. First challenge completed. Oh frick. Oh frick, oh frick. Oh gosh. Okay, good, not a semi. I really hope there's no semis that spawn. If I can get on the main road. Frick. Let's spawn a new car. Alright, I'm gonna go to the thing. We're gonna try to hit a snow ramp. Oh, fuck.